Hey guys, what's going on? October 18th, I'm recording this at the end of the market trading hours. And guys, some insane stuff, okay, that the market is doing right now. And, for those of you that are actively trading weekly options, this is a very powerful message I'm about to break down for you. But for those of you just observing, guys, you will be observing and watching the market do some crazy wild shit that will go in history books, okay? And, you're probably thinking, well, Leonardo, I know exactly what the fuck you're about to say. And there's some truth in that, because why would I be recording the message about something phenomenal on October 18th, 2023, that is highly coincidental? If you are any student of the market, you should fucking know that the biggest one-day crash in the markets has happened on October 19th, October 19th, 1987, damn it. And of course, I'm saying there is a chance, okay? I'm not saying that it is an overwhelming chance, okay, based off what we study here at 13 Market Moves and all the stuff that we track here at 13 Market Moves. We believe that the 20% drop in the market will take place in the first week of November 2023. But we can clearly not discount the fact that the market could fall the fuck out tomorrow on October 19th, 2023, okay, 26 years later, after the famous 1987 crash in October. Now, for those of you that think, well, Leo, you're just such a hardcore bear and all your strategies are fucking bearish, and you're probably missing one fact, that here at 13 Market Moves, some of our students have made millions, not on the bear side, but it's actually on the bull side. It's the move 4 on a Friday that gets you fucking paid exponentially. And some of you that have lived through a move 4 on a Friday after market is collapsing for a number of days, then you know that you're set free. And I want more people to experience that. So you come here as a bear, you probably are going to sign up to trade with 13 Market Moves coach as a bear, but just don't be surprised, because you should understand the history of the 1987 crash. It was the wildest crash in the shortest amount of time. And the biggest message of these podcast audio recording I'm doing for you guys is, we're at a moment where the market has not broken its daily trading range for over 10 months, close to 11 months. And markets normally do not function like that. And there is a 90% plus probability outcome that the market will move in a very, very wild kind of way, which will be reflected in the VIX, probably going to 30 plus, maybe even 40 plus. There's a chance VIX in the next 2 weeks will go to 50, 60 plus. And with that comes the expansion of the move. If you're part of the Paying Member Group Alert, in the last 2 days, I've sent you messages about the move expansion. Let me just explain it very quickly, because you have to understand what the fuck is a move expansion in order to understand how significant this is. So, in many instances, the market or a certain stock you're trading, or whatever the fuck you're trading, will trade in a range. And it's going to be, it's not a definitely defined range, like something moves 5 points each day. Something can move 3 points or 6 points or something like that. We're talking about a stock. Some can move 50 cents or fucking 30 cents if you're trading some bullshit you shouldn't be trading, right? And that's why you don't make any fucking money, because you're trading the wrong bullshit. But understand that there is a moment in the market where the market has been trading within a 60-point range, which is right now. Today, we had a moment where the market was about to break that as a move expansion to the downside. So there was a moment today where the market has gotten to a level, and if you've been following the channel for a long time, you understand that it is important as a trader to respect the levels, to respect the market levels. Okay, you cannot succeed as a trader if you don't respect the market levels. And so the level you should be concerned with right now is the level on the S&P futures of 43.50. 43.50 is such a level that, has stopped our traders from making fucking millions of dollars in the last 7 days. Because in the last 7 days, the market has tested the 43.50 level like fucking 11 times, and it has failed to break below that. As a matter of fact, every time we'd get to like 43.51, right? 43.51, that's the fucking level. The market all of a sudden it just fucking bounces like crazy. And it's just like what the fuck, right? There's every reason for a market to drop, but every time it gets to 43.50, it bounces the fuck out. So it's an important criteria of the market right now that today, on October 18th, okay, the market has finally broken that level, which it has not been able to break over the course of the last 7 days. And briefly, in the last hour of trading, you would have been receiving my message saying, look, we're going for a move expansion, which is more, a move expansion would mean, okay, that you would go by exponentially higher by more than 60 points. And so there's a brief moment, okay, at about 3:30, 3:45 in today's trading session where the market just, it looks like it's not going to break the 43.50. It's not going to fucking break it. It's not going to break it. And all of a sudden, whoa, what the fuck just happened? It just fucking drops. And normally those sort of drops would be followed through by a much bigger drop. So tomorrow on October 19th, you could be waking up, you'd be like, holy shit, everything is fucking red. Oh my God. And so it began today. What I'm trying to tell you, October 18th, it began today. Honestly, here at 30 Market Moves, we expected it to begin Sunday night. We expected it to begin Monday morning. And so the market just played with that level a couple of times. It went just slightly above 4,400 a couple of times. But these 43.50, guys, that over the last 7 days has been an incredible support level for the market. And now, based on everything we chart here at 30 Market Moves, we believe it's going to be an incredible resistance level for the market. So if you see the market at 43.50, what do? You fucking short the fuck out of it, okay? And guys, on a psychological point, I want to describe something that is just absolutely fucking absurd right now in the market. So, one of my favorite shorts recently has been AVGO puts, and every time it goes above 900, we short it, and promptly it drops. Well, today, the whole fucking market drops, and clearly AVGO is not the only fucking trade we got. We're shorting a bunch of other stuff, like Baidu, right? Baidu, guys, if you're part of the paying member alerts, guys, at some point, I may have time to just show you all the fucking alerts we've sent out this week for the paying members. But Baidu, right? So Baidu is one of these stubborn stocks. It doesn't want to fucking drop. It doesn't want to drop. It gets to 130 and it bounces. It gets to 127 and it bounces. It gets to 125 and it fucking bounces, right? But yesterday, it finally broke the 125. And I sent out the message in the alert group. I said, guys, Baidu finally broke the fucking level. Short the fuck out of Baidu. And so today, Baidu is at 114. I think closed around 115. But bottom line, guys, that was a fucking 10xer. 10x trade. Just observing the levels. Again, you have to respect the fucking levels, but you also have to be able to put the 2 and 2 together. Okay, Baidu, a stock that has been not been able to break that important level of 125 for fucking forever. Right now, it is doing it. It is doing it when? It is doing it at the same moment when U.S. government bonds are playing with the lows of a fucking century. Okay, what the fuck does Baidu has to do with U.S. government bonds? Fucking nothing. Okay, but what I'm trying to tell you, it is not just one part of the market that is breaking. It is multiple parts of the market. It is multiple sectors of the market that are breaking. For example, this morning you got a message from us in the alert group saying what? Short travel, short banks. Now, when we send out that message, were banks down? No, banks were up. Goldman Sachs were in the green. Okay, there's BlackRock was in green. We've been shorting fucking BlackRock the entire week, and some people thought I was fucking crazy. Why would you short, okay, the biggest fucking pension fund in the fucking United States? Because it owns more goddamn U.S. government bonds than any other fucking institution in the world. So why wouldn't you short that? The fucking bonds are about to fall the fuck out. Pull up the chart of TLT. 3 days ago, everybody thought that we were insane here at 30 market moves because everybody thought, whoa, Leo, the bond bottom has been set. And I said, you're fucking wrong. You short the fuck out. The bonds bounce. And if you did that, guys, that is a 7x trade just in the last 4 days. So the question is, where the fuck have you been? Okay, why are you standing on the sidelines? The market is breaking. It is not apparent to like an average fucking Joe, okay? But it is apparent to us here at 30 Market Moves. If you followed us long enough, we've been highly accurate on tops and bottoms. And I'm here to fucking tell you, I don't think the market is going to crash 22% tomorrow on October 19th, 2023. But it sure is going to fucking drop. You're going to be looking at the market tomorrow and you will be like, well, fuck, how did Leo know? How did 30 Market Moves know the market was going to get the fuck down? Guys, there's just certain moments in the market that we do know with a high, incredible percentage of certainty. And the certainty for a market to gap down and a move 3 formation tomorrow is like, it's above 92. So what do? You fucking put your trade on. Okay? But most of you that trade in the markets in the last few days, okay, like, I'm telling you, and some of the guys, 30 Market Moves will show you the way. We will lead you. We'll fucking hold your hand. We will fucking help you overcome some of the fears. But there has to be a desire inside of you to beat the fucking market. There has to be an understanding inside of you, inside of your head, inside of your heart, that you can actually beat the fucking market. And the reason I'm saying this is because, for example, I trade with ton of people, but so I have this trader Keith, who is a great fucking trader. Now, I don't think Keith understands himself that he has such a high potential to beat the market. And sometimes, look, I can try my best with a student to try to take them as far, but at some point you have to look at yourself in the mirror and you have to say, look, I'm fucking ready. I don't give a shit. I'm ready to break all the fucking limitations. So my student Keith could have made over $1 million in the last 5 days of trading. But last Thursday, when we had some really good trades, he cashed out, and he missed the whole day of Friday. Well, Friday was $1 million day, okay? But then he probably watched Friday, and he didn't take any trades Friday. He came in back Sunday night, Monday, and the market was tough as shit. It should have fucking collapsed the fuck out, but it didn't. But also important to understand that it did not bounce as well, okay, to the magnitude that it could have been if it was really a bullish fucking move. So it's the nature of the way something bounces that tells you whether it's a bear bull or whether it's a bull. So it's clear to me, any fucking bounce right now, what do you do with it? We short it. But it may not be as clear or as 100% clear as it is to me or some of the other coaches here at 30 Market Moves. So when you come into trade, you guys have to understand, you cannot skip days of trading. Okay? And the best way I can probably explain this is this. You trade, okay, so let's use football. All right, so there's a favorite team that's going to go. Which favorite team is us here, 30 Market Moves. And I mean, we're gonna go against some fucking other team that, and the team would be the market, right? And certain days we would be, every day is a fucking game, okay? And you got to beat the market. Now, certain days, the market is going to be weak as fuck. It's going to be super easy to read. We're going to know exactly what move it is, and we're going to fucking come and we're going to fucking take advantage of the market, and we're going to put some big fucking profits on the books. Okay? Now, some days, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday the market's just not doing shit. It's trading within a range. It's up 20 points. It's down 20 points. It's just nothing is fucking moving. There's just not enough movement, okay, for you to make a ton of money with weekly options. So on those days, the market is getting ready for a bigger drop, but it's not quite that fucking day. So you could be missing a huge fucking drop. You could be missing a 10x, 20x, 30x trade by a day. But it is important to understand that if you are correct with your overall strategy, that the market will fucking pay you. So you cannot be picky on the day where you trade, because at this very moment in this market history, we can get a fucking 20% drop on any fucking given day. So if you understand that, what you do is you don't skip any days of trading. Meaning, like last Friday, we had a new guy. It's like, hey guys, I want to make money. I want to start with 25K, blah, blah. Okay, doesn't even fucking matter what you start with. Okay, what matters is, are you willing, okay, to fucking follow the instructions and trade? So this guy completely skipped out Friday. With 25K on Friday, you could have gone fucking 200-300K easy. That was a fucking no-brainer, okay? The trades were there. The market pattern was so easy to fucking read. And then you go into a couple of trades of a couple of days of like Monday, Tuesday, just bullshit. Market's just not, it's just stalling. And it's stalling. And it's important to understand, right? People will tell you, it's still a fucking bull market. The earnings are fucking positive. They're fucking buying the dip. They're full of shit. The market is about to collapse the fuck out. You've heard the message from me loud and clear. It's just, there are times, okay, where you cannot skip a bit. There are times in the market where you cannot skip a day of trading, because guess what? You skip October 19th in 1987. Okay, you skip a 22% drop, that gets you set for the rest of your life. Okay, that's how Paul Tudor Jones, fucking even got on the map. He saw that shit coming. He didn't know the exact day when it was coming. He was ready for it every fucking day leading up to that moment, and that is how he nailed it. So, You can listen to this message and think, okay, well, shit is going to drop 20% tomorrow. And, you can be leaving some ugly fucking comments or whatever if shit doesn't drop 20% tomorrow. But the point is, that's not how you nail the markets. The point is your overall strategy. Okay, we're shorting the bounces here at 13 market moves. That strategy is highly valid. It's been paying a lot of money to a lot of our traders since the fucking July 2023. Okay, and right now we're at we're at the fucking moment where the market will fucking collapse the fuck out. So the question is, if you are choosy with the days where you trade, well, Leo, I can't trade Monday. Well, Leo, I can't trade Friday. Okay, so if the 22% drop happens on a fucking Monday or a Friday, what are you gonna say to me the next day? Oh, Leo, I was busy at my job, or Leo, I was busy with my businesses, my Amazon store bullshit, or guys, there's no fucking excuse. You want to catch the 22% drop that is coming, and is a fucking fact that is coming. You come here to 13 market moves and you trade the same strategy every motherfucking day. And that guarantees that you beat the market. The guys that don't ever beat the market is they look at what the market does every day. Oh, the market is up, I'm going to buy calls. Oh, the market is down, I'm going to buy puts. That's not a fucking strategy. Okay, when you follow the current price action, you're just the bitch of the market. You're just the bitch of the fucking price action. And you will never, ever make millions in the markets by being the market's bitch. So there it is. I said it. All right. And guys, if you want to get better, if you want to nail that 22% drop, with 13 market moves, you go to 13marketmoves.com, you go to 13mmtv.com, you take all of our fucking courses and you sign up to trade with a coach. Okay? And the reason I'm even saying take the courses is, guys, honestly, a guy that wants to succeed in trading, an average guy, I'm like, I don't need no fucking courses. Okay, Leo, just give me a fucking trade, man, and I'll just do what you say. And the moment you give that guy a trade, and the trade goes like in the wrong direction for an hour, guess what that motherfucker does? He jumps the fuck out. That's the truth. That's why you need the fucking courses, because if I'm going to give you a trade, you will shit in your pants the moment it goes negative, and you will miss out on 22% drop. So, Leo, why should I take the courses? Because you will shit in your pants when the right moment comes if you don't. And you will fucking miss it. So, you want to be next Paul Tudor Jones? Okay, you come to 13 Market Moves. Okay? That guy, I fucking respect. That guy's he's a beast. Okay? But with age, he's getting older. Okay, with age, hey, comes wisdom, but also you may not be trading as aggressively. And guys, if you're 20, 30, 40, you got no business not being aggressive right now in this market. Okay, you grab your fucking balls and you show up. That's what you do in this market right now, every fucking day of the week. And don't you fucking dare miss the day when the market drops 22 fucking %, because it will happen. The only question is, will you be a part of it, or will you just be on the sidelines fucking watching it? Well, the only thing you can do right fucking now to make sure that that's not happen to you is you go to 13marketmoves.com and you sign the fuck up right now. Or you go to 13mmtv.com and you sign up right there. So we're just a few guys short from hitting $1 million. And guys, 44 is the number. By the end of this year, we will have 44 guys that will hit $1 million plus in trading. We're a few guys short. The question is, will you fucking get off your ass and make shit happen together with us here at 13 Market Moves? Go look at yourself in the mirror right now. Are you sick and tired of bullshit? Are you sick and tired of making no fucking money, making no progress with your trading? Well, if that is so, you got to change some things around like yesterday, like right fucking now. You take action. You grab your balls, you face your fears, and you fucking rock in the next 70 days. As a matter of fact, we're announcing a challenge, guys. Guys, I'll talk about the challenge, but it's going to be the $8,000 account to $1 million plus in next 70 days. If you do that, okay, if you do that, I got some crazy shit coming in store for you. I'll talk about it in the next video. But if you want to know more about it, right fucking second, you go to 13marketmoves.com, you sign up, 13mmtv.com, you schedule a call with a coach right fucking now. I'll see you guys making it big in the next 70 days. Just don't miss this fucking opportunity. 22% drop is coming. The question is, will you be a part of it? Or will you watch somebody else making it big with 13 market moves? That's the only fucking difference. It's going to be you. It's going to be somebody else. Because somebody's going to fucking do it. Let's roll.